All right, this next one, what color are my Nike? This is a video posted really recently to YouTube, 1.67 million views. And here we have a custom set of Air Force One from the YouTube channel The Q that are customized and very cool. In place of a typical Nike logo, it's a full DIY project you can watch. And in place of the Nike logo is an RGB LED that's controllable from a smartphone, and you can change the Nike logo to whichever color you please. So a little bit of tech in there. He has to carve out a section in the sole in order to house the battery and some of the wiring. And it's actually quite a job to get these things figured out. And then there's an LED strip that's placed underneath the leather Nike logo. You can see some of the components being
I think there's the
cut out over here. Yeah, that's where the battery's going to go. Cut out the foam. It looks like is it maybe not even a AA. It's a specialty battery size. But yeah, a big job and cool, very cool results, which lets you have imagine this at night, you know?
Yeah, and it's very evenly lit. He did a really good job.
It looks as a very finished looking product to it. Product, whatever you want to call it. And I don't know, maybe Nike's going to take the inspiration. Maybe they're going to put this out.
Yeah, dope.